Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, March 5th, and we're going to take a look really quick at what's happening with crude oil and kind of what we're watching here with the energies, crude oil, RBOB, and heating oil. So, past few months, we've actually been going into longer periods of compression where we will trend sideways for a couple of weeks, run for a couple of days, and trend sideways for a couple of weeks, run for a couple of days, trend sideways for a couple of weeks, run for a couple of days. And right now, we are inside of another one of those go sideways for a couple of days or for a couple of weeks period. So we're kind of in compression, chopping around. Now, the big thing that we're paying attention to is the daily range here between resistance up at 57.88 and the support down at 55. And we're waiting to see if we can break out of there. But until we do break out of this compression, one of the things you got to keep in mind and when you're trading is you want to be paying attention to how the overall strategy you're trading is going to perform. Because if you're trading a strategy that goes for bigger price moves, we're probably not going to get those bigger price moves until we break out of this range. So instead of looking for 2, 3, 4 points at a time, you start adjusting your strategy to only take very small pieces of market where you're taking $500, $400 a contract worth of a move, as opposed to going for those $3,000, $4,000 a contract worth of move. Then once we break out of the range, once we break out of the compression phase and go back into an expansion phase, we can start looking for those bigger moves in the market where we actually get some nice runners that will turn into swing trades that will last a week or 2 or 3 weeks at a time. And we get nice big trends like we had back in September, October of last year. So keep an eye out for it. Currently, again, the range we're watching is 57.88, so call it 58 resistance and 55 support. Waiting for it to break out of this range. Currently, momentum is weakening a little bit, but nothing too substantial. And again, we're just kind of neutral this market, waiting for it to pick a direction and break out. So that's it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.